Welcome students, let us see a very interesting question from the topic arithmetic progression. This is very important question from examination point of view. So let us see the solution here. Before starting the solution of this question, we must know a very basic concept about arithmetic progression, that if A, B, C are in AP, then first, if you add any constant number in each of these numbers, then the resulting numbers will also be in AP. That is, then A plus K, B plus K and C plus K are in AP. Correct? Because difference of these two numbers is constant. Both the difference are equal in AP, means B minus A is equal to C minus B. You know, that is known as common difference, and this is the basic property that common difference will be equal in case of AP. So whenever we will subtract these two numbers, again K will be cancelled out and we will get B minus A. Similarly, difference of this will also give the same common difference. Okay, so addition of a constant number with every given number will not change the property in respect of arithmetic progression. So clearly, if A, B, C are in AP, then A plus K, B plus K, C plus K are also in AP. Similarly, when we subtract a constant, even then A minus K, B minus K, C minus K are also in AP. In case of multiplication also, K times of A, K times of B and K times of C are also in AP. Very basic thing. Okay. And fourth, whenever we will divide these numbers with a constant, again this will be in AP. So A by K, B by K and C by K are also in AP. Okay. So we will use this property in this case here. So let us see the solution here. Given that A, B, C are in AP. So therefore, whenever we will divide these numbers with any constant number, let us divide with ABC. Dividing with ABC. So we will get A upon ABC, B upon ABC and C upon ABC by this property, fourth property. We are dividing all these three numbers by the constant number, by the same number ABC. Okay, these are in AP. Now you see here A will be cancelled out, here B will be cancelled out, here C will be cancelled out, and therefore 1 upon BC, 1 upon BC, 1 upon CA and 1 upon AB, these are in AP. So hence proved here. Very interesting question, very simple question, very important question. Okay, and in some other videos we will see same pattern of arithmetic progression question. Very interesting questions. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.